Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify won't stream music on iPhone 10, iPhone 11, iPhone 12. In this troubleshooting guide, we will show you what to do if Spotify won't stream music on your iPhone 10, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, or any iPhone for that matter. Such a problem reportedly started after the iOS update. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. We start from basic. The first and basic solution is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. To check that, open Safari browser or any browser and search for any website and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you have a stable internet connection but you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions. Solution number 2. Close Spotify and all other running background apps and do the force restart. For that, swipe up and close all running background apps include Spotify, then force restart. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then press the side button until we see the Apple logo. Solution number 3. Delete Spotify and then reinstall it. For that, tap and hold the Spotify app, then tap Remove App and touch Delete App. After deleting the app, go to App Store, search for Spotify and reinstall it. Solution number 4. Factory reset your iPhone. This process will be able to fix this problem, but make sure that you create a backup of your iPhone. To factory reset the iPhone, first we have to go to Settings, tap General, tap Reset, tap Erase all content and settings, and tap Erase now. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.